The MaverickLabel.com Asset Tracker is useful for tracking multiple related assets and for easily recording assets onto paperwork or documentation. Asset trackers are a set of 4 labels, the main asset tag label and 3 smaller side tracker labels. A matching barcode is printed on the main label and on the smaller labels. For example, Asset Tracker can be used with a laptop by affixing the main asset tag to the computer, and then affixing 1 or 2 of the smaller side trackers to an inventory sheet or invoice. The remaining side stickers can be applied to the software package, mouse, keyboard, power supply, or any other items associated with the main asset. In this example, a laptop. Other applications might include office phone systems, copy machines and accessories, projectors, and power supplies.